I'm using my phone to crank it to him, yeah. Turning my tracks to control out, ran the corner on drift, yeah. Left hand on steering, right hand with the black while I'm perfectly shift. Look like I came out the Fast and the Fury. The 4-1 race in Atlanta, they get. Tapping my gas at the red light, yelling who on the race. I got that bag full of headband, finish most of the face. And if I'm hating, but it ain't no pressure like all of my ties, no. And they keep watching me, I'm finna bury the folks in the Taj mode. YouTube, what going on? 5-7-Phew back with something new. Hey, y'all see where I'm at right now? I'm in the car wash. Had to go get my boy clean this Sunday morning. Hey, I'm on my way to Caffeine Octane. I thought it used to be Coffee and Octane. Why even used to go to car show? Cause I always thought it was Coffee and Octane. Maybe they changed the name cause everybody don't drink coffee, so they changed it to Caffeine Octane. But anyway, man, you know what I mean? I don't get my boy clean. Figure I'd stop at the car wash before I pull up on them folk. You know what I mean? I ain't want to pull up to the car show looking dirty. You know what I mean? Got all these clean cars out there, but it's gonna be a lot of different type of cars. So that's the only reason I want to go. Cause now I want to focus on different type of cars. You know what I mean? I want to ask different type of questions. I want to know what people done to all they, what's the JDMs and, you know, the imports and, you know, all them, cause American Muscle, the Chargers and the Challengers, the Jeeps, the, you know, the Durango, the Mopar, that's all I've been on. You know what I mean? That's all I really was focusing on. That's all I really took interest of. But it's a lot more cars out there. It's a lot, you know what I mean? The car community is big. You know what I mean? You gotta appreciate all builds, you know what I mean? All makes and models of the car community. You gotta appreciate all of it. So that was down. That be quick as hell. That car wild was too quick. I'm finna pull out here. They got the little drive. Yeah, I'm getting dried up right now. I'm finna pull out to the side, vacuum. Now, he ain't really too dirty on the inside. I keep my inside clean. I make sure I make sure I stomp my shoes before I jump in the wheel, cause I don't like to track too much dirt on top of my mat. So my inside really be clean, but I'm just finna go vacuum and wipe them down on the inside, make sure the outside good, make sure my wheel good, rim good, and next time when I get back on the camera, we'll be at the spot. Yes, sir. I got one of the best spots you can ever have. Y'all, I gotta get me a tripod too, so I can get some better angles. Yeah, I got one of the best spots. Like, this shit right there. That shit ain't even no 2-minute walk. Right here through the tree, y'all. Hold on, I'm finna flip it around. Right here through the tree, man. Oh, you good?
Yeah, this is solid gold. That was.
I never seen the inside the Land or the inside of the Jeeps. Here. Right there, y'all.
V6.
What year you think this is?
Huh? This? It's kind of hard to tell what it's a CJ, which one it is. But it's probably 70s, early. It'd have to be early 80s.
Early 80s.
It could be as early as the early 80s, but it looks a little bit older than that. But with the V6, it could be late 70s, early 80s. The first, the YJ with the square headlights, came out in like 87, so everything before that is CJs. Okay. But this one doesn't have a, which CJ it is, older than this. Usually on the back there's a badge. Well, there you go. 60. Oh, this one's even older, 67. He wouldn't put that plate on there. Normally you look for like CJ 4s, 5, 6, 7s, 8. The higher that number, the newer they are. I have a Jeep, but it's a 16 JKU.
Okay.
But these are cool. But
where's yours at? Oh, you have a partner regular side?
Yeah, I didn't get here early enough, man. I got season tickets for the dogs, so I got in late last night from the watching the dogs put a whooping on Mizzou. Yeah. They had his word there, man. It was a tight game, man. So,
well, all right. Enjoy your day.
We're probably destined to beat Alabama again in the SEC championship.
All right.
They beat up on Mizzou, on the LSU.
Yeah, see, that's why I like coming. You know what I mean? That's why I like coming to these car shows. Get different history on, you know, different business. All I'm used to is the Mopar. Well, that was Jeep, so that's still classified as the Mopar. So we got the old schools over here. What's going on? Where this is? Gladiator, the long one though. That just got them too. Ooh, that thing clean right there, y'all. My bad, big dog. It really good. That is like clean. I like it.
Phew. I bought all that one much, man. Okay. I see that. Thing's clean too. Yeah, I want to know if they got a Nova over here somewhere. Yeah, that thing is too hard. That big. Yeah, one looking like though. I like the CL1s too. Got the cars on. Somebody ding. See right here cammed up. That motherfucker sound good. That thing sound nasty. Ooh. Ooh. I don't be like showing nobody plate though. Yo, that thing sound too good. Got see this blue one right here too though. I see this blue one right here too though. Yeah, rap too hard. Yeah, rap is too hard.
What is it? What's the place called?
Shelby though. Ooh, that bit look nasty. Boy, this a real. Ooh, man. Man, that shit look good. Why that shit look so good like that? Y'all, that motherfucker look great. That motherfucker look great, y'all. I like that. I'm gonna have to look into that. That's C8 motherfucker. I'm gonna have to look into that. I'm gonna have to look into that. Okay, old school, Mero, all the ZL. Motherfucker hard. Motherfucker too hard. That Mero, that be clean. Got a leaner, that be hard. Look at this right here, y'all. Yeah. There's Z28 Mero though. Look at this Mero though, y'all. White over there. Yeah. Look at this SS. Yeah. Police, I don't know about him. Yeah. Oh, this the hold that motherfucker. Ooh, they can hold that motherfucker. Yeah, they be hard. I ain't gonna lie. My bad. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. These motherfuckers is hard, child. What is it? These folks have the cars out here, man. Like this. Say that. Ooh. That thing clean. Man. That motherfucker come outside.
Gotcha. That's what I'm worried about. Yeah.
It's definitely for tall. I'm 6 foot.
All right.
So yeah, it's if you're bigger than that, it makes good foot room.
I got you.
We still got a whole way to go. Get it Grand National. Oh, look at that. That'd be hard. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, that bit blowing. That bit blowing. That nasty. That nice. That said, motherfucker, that is too hard. Yeah. Turbo jet. I see that clean. Oh, I'm saying that clean, man. Y'all young man got some clean cars out here, man. Yeah. Got that cooler. Oh, that this here with the cooler. Yeah, 618 right here. Yeah, this I ain't never seen these in the US. Hey man, I get in this is fine.
Your timing changed. Your timing changed a little bit? Huh? Your timing changed? A little noisy. Bullshit dies.
Hey, that motherfucker sound good, big dog. Yeah. Sound like time. Ain't so ugly ass boy from my car. You gonna slap this up. Sound like y'all gonna always have folk like that. And you always gotta respect every car build. That ain't too hard. What the hell with that? The big camera on the front. Real action, that shit, man. I always have folk hang. Yeah, like this right here. Like this motherfucker right here. This what I want to see. Got the forges on. Ooh, the inside of that motherfucker too clean. Ooh, with the forging wheel. Yeah. That be hard, man. This is a car. This is a car, y'all. This is a real good car. This is the Jeep of Creepers? This is the Jeep of Creeper Mobile? Yeah. Man, try to get a picture, man. Try to get a picture, man. Oh, that's what I was just looking at. Liquid Mighty. Man, that motherfucker hanging out. Yeah, that's what I want to hear, yeah. Bad beat. Super beat motherfucker. Yeah, that bitch sound good. I got the pro charge and that bitch looking on. He's like, yeah, no make sure you sound great. That bitch look too nice, y'all. Sheesh. How far that bitch sit that though? That motherfucker sit that. Stable, okay. Somebody be on. Oh, they double back. Oh, they triple back. Stop playing with them folk. Oh, they the whole line in them folk. Man, stop playing. I ain't even really see. I was just sleep on the inside. They were hard. Yeah. They're too hard. Not to kill, y'all. Not to kill. I like that. That bitch look, oh, that marker. They're hard. Oh, look at the one. My baby, dog. Came out here now with the cords in there, bitch. Excuse me. Got the cords in there, bitch. Yeah. Go in the circle. Ready, scat out. Like, it be hard. It be hard. That bitch set up, y'all. Yeah. Now, this what I want to see some shit like this. SMD. Don't show nobody tag. Yeah. That is too nasty. Oh, that honk shit, yeah. That shit at me down, man. That be hard. Yeah, you want to slip back when I got these. Back set. Yeah. Like these little cats right here. Like these little cats right here. Big red eye. Scat. That's RT. I like that bad. Ooh, that bad hard. That RT bad too hard. Should have had the sunroof on tilt. Not open up all he did, but he ain't got the little neck. Like that. I got y'all set up right. Hey, just had a motorcycle pull up. He burning that. I done turned my traction on. I'm thinking that little 350 finna do some. Man, he ain't do nothing, man. I'm thinking the little Nissan finna lock that bitch down, man. He ain't did nothing, though.
Not me at the lighter room. Look, them folks spin right. Hey man, them folks had the Corolla on 2 wheels come around that corner, man. Stop playing. I want to see somebody lock that bitch down, though. At least hear some shit, man. But that bitch sound good. What the fuck? That bitch just sound boosted.